Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. There are many ways in which the parts within an FEA model can be connected. Here we go through some general approaches where detailed fastener representations are not required. Many FEA models are made up of multiple parts, and connecting these appropriately is vital in ensuring the correct load distribution through an assembly. We'll show many techniques based around meshless glued connections, where specific node positions are not required, through to edge ties, where adjacent edges of a part are automatically connected. You'll learn which connections are most appropriate to your general modelling strategy and how to ensure that the resultant models are behaving as intended. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.